How do hero skills function in Dark War survival? Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. Today's video will explain hero skills, their uses, and which ones to prioritize. Fundamental. The skill design in Dark War survival is straightforward, without complicated parameters like low HP or back row targeting. Everything is simple. Notably, the first and second skills are identical for all heroes of the same quality. For instance, Tristan and Evans deal 1,719% of their attacks with their level 15 first skill. Although the skill names, descriptions, and graphics differ, the underlying concept and parameters remain the same. The first skill is the hero's active skill, triggered only on specific rounds, specifically every 11th round, such as rounds 11, 21, 31, etc. This skill features a unique graphic effect. For example, when Catherine and Rex use their active skill, you will see a large dog running towards the opponent. The second skill represents the hero's normal attack. Upgrading this skill will increase the damage dealt by every normal and counterattack. Although the first skill seems to deal more significant damage, the total damage for both is close. Therefore, we should upgrade both skills at the same pace. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Third skill. The third skill of a hero can either be a passive or a progression skill. Passive skill is advantageous in battle and is indicated by a cross-sword icon next to the faction icon. These skills typically enhance battle-related attributes such as attack, defense, and damage. Some passive skills benefit only the individual hero, while others provide advantages to the entire faction. For instance, Cecilia's third skill increases her own attack and defense. In contrast, Francis' third skill boosts the attack of all fighters. On the other hand, progression skills do not directly influence battle but can be extremely useful in different ways. For example, Corleone and Megan's third skills grant a 60-minute free research and construction time, saving us significant speed-ups. This allows us to instantly complete research and construction within 60 minutes. Catherine and Rex's third skill is also beneficial because it increases the daily number of radar events and enhances food production. With more food, we can level up our heroes much more quickly. Skills that boost research, unit training, and healing speeds are also invaluable for accelerating our progress. Be sure to utilize these abilities effectively. Fourth skill. To unlock the fourth skill, a hero must be at level 40 and have achieved 4 stars. This skill is an exclusive talent specific to the hero. It functions similarly to the passive skill in the third skill, enhancing battle attributes. In addition to boosting attack and defense, some fourth skills will also increase troop capacity. The fourth skill has only 1 level, so there is no need for further upgrades. We recommend upgrading purple and blue heroes to 4 stars to unlock their fourth skills as soon as possible. This will enhance our overall strength without money. Upgrading to a 5th star is optional. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.